Hey, I have 3 tips on how to engage with a new follower or Facebook friend who likes or comments on any platform instantly and lead them to what you are selling. Hey, I'm Debbie, and if you're overwhelmed but motivated online marketer who is looking for the skill set and the tools to create an online presence that consistently attracts an interested and already qualified buyers to you, I'm your gal. I love helping my fellow baby boomers, especially because I keep it super simple and non-techy. Here goes. Newsflash: 80%, 80 of sales happen between the 5th and the 12th follow-up. How many of you stop at 1 follow-up, 2 follow-ups, or 3 follow-ups even? You're not bugging them, right? Life happens, and they need you to remind them. You get reminders all the time in life, right? Your kids' doctor's offices remind you of an upcoming appointment. Thank goodness the dentist reminds me that I have an appointment, right? That they follow up with me. I love that. So when you reach out to them and you're giving yourself an 85% chance of them buying from you. So we're sales reps, right? So the number one tip is, here's number one: introduce yourself to every new follower on every platform. So Facebook, Instagram, Reels, TikTok, and then you funnel them into your one place. So for me, it's my email list. Just in case something happens to Facebook or one of the other platforms, I have a way to connect with them. So think about this. Everyone follows you for a reason. Wouldn't you like to know why? Find out why they're following you? So, on Facebook, or, they may send you a friend request. How do you find out why they're following you? How do you find out why they friend requested you? Ask them. Think about it. Write that down. Think it. Ink it, right? So here's what I say. Here's my script. You need to dig a little bit for a need, okay? So say, thanks for the follow. So excited to be connected with you here. Are you following me for online marketing tips, branding yourself on social media, or it's because you're interested in that chocolate collagen that blasts belly fat that I was able to lose 45 pounds with? What are you following me for? So, or whatever product you have, right? So if you're into hair gel, skincare products, whatever you sell, CBD, you ask them, what are you interested in? So now you know why they're following you and what they're looking for. So you just found their need. So now I have a group for that. I have a newsletter for that, right? Get them off of social media and onto your list. So if it's that amazing chocolate, great, we have a group for that. Branding yourself, hey, I can give you a few more tips. You want to jump on a 5-minute call? Or I have a group for that about all around network marketing tips. So would you like to check out my group? Simple. So you put the content out there, you give the value, and that way they think about you when you're not around. And if you like my network marketing tips, did you catch the recording that I did the other day? So, you may attract some weirdos. That's okay. Just ignore them, right? But reach out to who your ideal client is. All right. So it brings us to tip number 2. The rest will go a lot quicker than this. So stay to the end. Message. Here's number 2. Message everyone. Everyone that likes your posts, that likes your videos, that likes your stories and reels and TikToks. So here's what I say. Hey Jane, Thank you for taking the time to engage on my post or reel or video. What did you like about it? Hey, by the way, did you see my other video I did on the same subject? You've got to get good at reaching out to random people and then go and like and comment on their recent posts. So here's one. What if they don't reply, right? What if they, they're busy probably, right? It's not you. When you find the person that you think will be amazing on your team, you really think they'll benefit from the product, and they're ignoring you, let them know you're thinking about them. Just let them know. Maybe put an inspirational quote post or funny meme and tag them in it, or send them it to their messenger. Just let them know you're thinking about them. Not about business, not about your products. Just let them know you're thinking about them with a quote or a funny meme, right? And then this is a big one. Jump from platform to platform to platform, so social media doesn't think you're a bot. Do 10, 20 follow-ups here, 5 or 10 follow-ups there, and just go throughout your day jumping from platform to platform. So if you really love these tips, I invite you to take some action. Jump on my newsletter, debbiehalbrook.com, and if you want to know where I get these tips from, I invite you to take a $1 trial with my platform, and you will learn so much. No matter what you sell, no matter what kind of brand you're building online, no matter what kind of influence you're wanting to build on social media, this will definitely help you. It's 30 days of everything you consume. It's $1. So, hey, thanks for joining me today.